If you are using a third-party monitor that is not 4K, 5K, or 6K with a Mac desktop, chances are your screen looks kind of blurry. In this video, I will tell you why and how to fix it. Hello and welcome to the channel. Before I start, I would like to thank you all for your support in helping the channel grow to 1000 subscribers. This video is inspired by a comment made by one of you in one of my older videos. Mac OS doesn't scale well on displays that aren't 4K, 5K, or 6K. This often results in less sharp visuals and awkward scaling. Thanks to this well thought out public article by a guy called Erlend, I will try and explain why. The link to the full article is provided in the description. Take a look at this greater than symbol on a 5 pixel by 5 pixel screen. In this setup, the physical resolution is 5 by 5 pixels, or 5p. If we double the physical resolution to 10 pixels by 10 pixels, or 10p, and maintain the character size, we have no benefit at all to image quality. In this configuration, the image is rendered at a logical resolution of 5p and not the physical resolution of 10p. If we were to render the image at the physical resolution of 10p, it will be very tiny. Back to the previous image. If we also utilize these extra pixels highlighted in red on the 10p resolution, the final image quality is significantly better than the original. This is what is referred to as high DPI mode. So, in this oversimplified example, the image on the left is 5p logical resolution, while the one on the right is 5p high DPI logical resolution. To properly utilize high DPI mode in Mac, the physical resolution should be dimensionally 2 times the logical resolution. In other words, 4 times as many pixels. Enough of that. This table shows the preferred logical resolution versus the corresponding optimal physical resolution for Mac OS. It can be a guide to help you choose the appropriate display for your Mac desktop. In my setup consisting of the Mac Mini M4 and the 16-inch Azopa Z3 FC portable monitor, you can see that if I set the monitor to its native resolution of 1440p, everything becomes super tiny on an already small monitor. So 1080p will be the preferred choice for many. Since the 1440p resolution of this portable monitor is a suboptimal physical resolution, it ends up looking blurry on a Mac. That's why our 1080p setting doesn't look sharp. We need to find a way to utilize those extra pixels I demonstrated earlier. That's where a third-party app called Better Display comes in. It enables high DPI on monitors with suboptimal resolutions by overriding the system display configuration. It basically bypasses Mac limitations by forcing macOS to render at a high resolution and scale it down to fit the monitor. I have the app installed, and as you can see, when I enable high DPI on the drop-down menu, everything becomes crisp and sharp like it should. Unfortunately, the app is not free and costs about $21. Display Buddy is another alternative app that achieves the same goal and is similarly priced. The cost of the apps is likely a small fraction of the money you save when you buy a display not officially supported by macOS. In my opinion, the apps are well worth it. If you find this video helpful and would appreciate more tips like this, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Cheers!